How to make brush smooth in Krita. First, to make it smooth, it's still to be really something that it's still on the question, not accurate, but I will give you what it has been appeared for me. You select the brush, open the tool options on the brush editor. So I click on the brush right like here, like this, on the tool options or tool box. Now you enable smoothing and choose mode stabilizer or weighted. So really, okay, go to normal and starting with this. I know this is still actually something that is okay. You go for brush editor, go for softness, for example. You change it with it. You go for okay, actually stabilizer or weighted. You can start to find this one, so you can start to change the smooth amount and storks and we tweaking about it. And I guess that softness or sharpness can be really one of these things that can help you to make it smoother, and that is all about